Look at the crowd. Sekarang kita bakal ke stasiun MRT-nya dulu. So I'll see you on the next destination, which means that I had arrived from riding the MRT. Karena ini MRT sana kan melewati beberapa stasiun dulu, so I'll give you an update pas itu sudah sampai di tempat tujuan pertama sekaligus our first destination of the day lah. See you. Look at all of these plants, flowers. And it is so hot, but not as hot as Thailand. Still, the winner of the hottest sun, hottest temperature, Thailand.
Sama satu cawan. Botol.
Kopi cawan na botol.
Enggak kan?
Oh iya. Guys, a very unique thing about this place is that in each of this artwork or painting, they got this a small barcode that which you can see here. There is a sound sign. Jadi kayak kalian bisa dengar suara. Which means that if you come to the place where there is this artwork, ini kan ada banyak tuh. Ini ada om-om lagi ngikis pisau, tuh ada bocil dan ada banyak lagi kan. Nah, kalau kalian nge-scan di barcode-nya sini, kalian tuh langsung dibawa ke website asli kok, tenang aman, website atau mungkin di YouTube, dan kalian bisa mendengarkan this the artwork history, the artwork sound. So basically you can hear them speak, you can hear their stories, you can hear their history, and it's just really unique, you know. Biasa orang langsung naruh informasi di tembok atau di sebelah artwork. Now they provide us this barcode. You can scan it directly with your camera or Google or whatever, and you can hear the history, you can know the unique story behind this beautiful and amazing artwork right here. And you know, surprisingly is that they don't just prepare one artwork, they don't just make one artwork, but they made a lot of artwork. So ini kan om-om tuh kan. Kalau misalnya kalian kesini itu ada yang anak kecil, itu ada yang cewek. Jadi ini banyak banget ya sebenarnya tuh. Ini artworknya tuh banyak banget. And you know, there are lots of stories that you can listen, you can scan and you can listen. And it's just very unique, you know. It's a very unique thing to read or know more information about the artwork and the stories behind it. It's a very efficient ways, you know. Aku aja tidak pernah kepikiran gitu loh mereka naruh barcode gini. Such an efficient way, dan it's just very unique. No, I keep saying the word unique because it is very unique. A vintage or traditional style kind of place, but have a very modern or futuristic ways to tell us about its artwork and stories behind it. Such an efficient way. Dan ya ini artinya kita nggak usah baca-baca, jadi ya don't need to waste any time. Mantap. So guys, it's around, wait, let me check the time first. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon in Malaysia, and we're having lunch right now. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of too late for lunch. But anyways, we're having lunch again in Lot 10 again for the second time. Because the first time itu di pertama kan. And so this time, the difference is that we're not eating noodles or noodle soup again. We're not eating something that is related to soup, but we're eating a famous Chinese dish called Chi Chung Fan. Look at that. That looks very appetizing, man. With all of those really shining yellow colors. Red, green, perfect combo for a Chinese food, man. Look at those shrimp, those vegetables, even those sausage. A lot of amazing condiments for Chinese foods. Wonderful. And yeah, untuk menjelaskan suasana di sini, karena ini sore, terakhir kita kesini tuh malam kan. The last time we went here is at around 8 or 8:30 p.m. But this time it is around 3 in the afternoon, so it's earlier than in the day 1 dan yang sebelumnya kita datang ke sini. Ini sekarang udah day 4 ya, day 4, so tomorrow is my last day, which means I'm going to also go home to my hometown. So this is our last time getting at Lot 10. Dan di sini suasananya nggak terlalu ramai, as you can see. Boleh? So as you can see here, it's not as crowded as in the day 1 vlog. And plus, it's not too noisy. It's not as noisy as day 1 vlog. Karena ya lagi-lagi ini sepi dan ini masih sore guys, jadi nggak banyak orang yang datang ke sini dan mungkin ya pasti ada beberapa orang yang kerja atau mungkin baru datang ke Malaysia, so they haven't reached here yet. So it's good, I guess. We can have way calmer ambience or situation to eat our lunch. Ya kan? Lebih tenang tuh lebih bagus nggak sih? So you can chill more, have a better situation or environment to eat your lunch. So yeah, I think that's all, and I think I'm going to eat my food because I don't wanna let it to be cold. Nanti gue tinggalin dia jadi dingin deh. Mumpung makanannya masih berasap, masih as hot as hell, we're going to eat it. So let's go. So now let's try the Chi Chung Fan immediately, tanpa basa-basi. Let's go. So here we got some pork meat, a lot of vegetables, and the Chi Chung Fan itself, and also we got shrimp, one of the best seafoods. Ini sorry kalau suara nggak terlalu kedengaran karena we're very close to the food outlets right here, so basically you can hear the chef when they are cooking. So let's try it. Smoke-nya jelas banget ya. Look at those smokes, man. Okay, wait. Let's give it a bite.
Ya.
Very soft.
Iya, makan. Ambil
No. When I eat other Chi Chung Fan,
nasi.
Chi Chung Fan yang lainnya,
Ini apa nasi?
yang sebelum ini, kalau aku makan, dia punya tekstur chewy. So it is soft, but
Nasi.
it is also very chewy at the same time. But this one, the chewiness lebih nggak terlalu chewy, but it's way softer than other Chi Chung Fan that I ate before. So it's good. Let's have another bite. Chi Chung Fan. Very rough. Especially it's still very, very hot. So it is way better. Let's try the shrimp. Yang ini nggak ada ekornya beda, so enak banget, cuma langsung dagingnya langsung. Okay. You know, what I like about their shrimp is that they put a seasoning onto it. So it's not just a shrimp itself, but it also got a lot of seasoning, maybe salt and pepper, and maybe their famous Chinese oil. Maybe karena di sini bukan cuma daging doang guys, rasanya itu ada asin, ada sedikit manis juga ada, so it's actually very very good. That's a plus point right there. Last but not least, let's try the pork meat. Ini kayak sosis, kalau orang-orang ngomong ini lapchop. Always have its own identic and iconic taste. A little sweet, soft, not that hard. Ada asin, savory, sweet, especially again when it's hot. When it's hot, food. You know, when a food is hot, that's the best part. You know, because if your food gets cold, then it won't taste as good as when it is hot. The hotter it is, the best it is. Jangan salah arti, oke? Ntar taruh ini. The hotter it is, the good it is. Taruh di sini hashtag dalam kurung konteksnya makanan. It's good. Well, I recommend you guys to try this Chicung Fan. Tapi ini ingat lagi-lagi ini non halal. So for you guys that can eat pork, you guys can try other dishes that don't have pork in it, because this one have pork. It is lapchung. This meat is from pork meat, right? So for you guys that consider this as non halal, then you can try other halal foods. Kalau ada sih. So far, if you guys can eat pork, then it is highly recommended for you guys to try this dish. And when you already get your food, especially this, when you already get the food that you ordered, make sure to eat it directly when it is still hot or when it is still smoking. Because when it starts to get cold, then it will just start to lose its taste, and it will start to lose its basically its strength. Strengthnya itu ada di panasnya ini. So yeah, to close this up, I'll give this a solid rating of 9 out of 10. Kenapa kurang satunya? Ya, the portion is not that big. It's just a medium sized portion. But I can guarantee you guys that if an average human being eat this, he can still be full. But for me, it needs to improve its portion into a bigger size. For me, it's my personal opinion. But in general, this portion is already good. It's already very good for an average human being. So yeah, that's all. And I'm gonna finish my food. I'll see you nanti the next destination, which is maybe in night time, where we will have a dinner, or when we will go into another amazing place. I'll see you later. See you, pal.
Ngawur itu baka ya.
A few moments later.
So hello chat, I hope you're still here with me. Right now is around 10 p.m. at nighttime in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur specifically. And I just want to say that today is our last day, and by tomorrow we will be heading again to my hometown, so we'll be back home again. And I just want to say that it's been an absolutely amazing journey with my family, and also, of course, with you guys, my viewers. We had bought, tried, experienced a lot of different things, different cultures, and even amazing and wonderful foods that I haven't even tried in my life. And I believe that those foods that I tried in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur here to be specifically, I haven't tried those foods in my hometown, which is in Indonesia. And so yeah, it's been a wonderful and great experience with all of you guys right here. And basically I consider this as one of the best method to spend this year's summer holiday, because as what you know that we had also went to Thailand, Bangkok, and that was one of the most beautiful and amazing way to spend my holiday. But then, you know, Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur comes, and it went into my list of one of the best ways to spend summer holiday, or every time when you had a holiday. And so by this video, I just want to say thank you again. Once again, thank you again. Thank you so much for all of you, for every single one of you who had spent your time, had spent your basically quota, mobile data, and everything, battery, to watch my video. And hold on, this won't be the last part or the last video in this vlog, because by tomorrow I will also show you guys my way, or basically perjalanan aku dari Malaysia sampai ke negara aku balik, sampai ke rumah Malaysia. So just chill. This is only a video, appreciation video to my family and to my viewers, karena takutnya besok kalau aku bikin waktunya nggak keburu, atau mungkin I'm in a hurry and I can't think of any ideas or basically statement yang aku pengen utarakan, takutnya lupa atau nggak tahu. Jadi mumu sekarang ingat, and it came into my mind right now, so I'm going to share it to you guys di video ini. So yeah, I think that's all ya, once again. And oh yeah, I just wanna give a very simple rating to this year holiday in Malaysia. So as you know, in this vlog we went to 2 different cities in Malaysia. Pertama di Kuala Lumpur, lalu kita nanjak, kita pergi ke atas yang daerah atas yang it's way colder out there, which is Genting. And we also had spent and also tried a lot of things. We had experienced a lot of things, apalagi Sky World itu, damn, that was epic. And all the rides are very very fire, exact solid 5-star, 5 out of 5, and that was wonderful. Apalagi di Kuala Lumpur ini, we basically complete our wish list, which is purchasing the McLaren jersey. After all those journey, all those struggle we had undergo, we had went to several malls, several shops, and then finally we had found what we want, which is a McLaren jersey, and we got it. So I'm actually really happy for it, and I think that's enough. And to sum up today's day, karena aku tadi nggak terlalu sempat ngerekam full complete, but basically ya itulah yang terjadi malam ini. Nggak bener-bener komplit semua aku rekam sih, tapi yang bisa aku rekam hari ini aku taruh di video. And yet again, just to conclude today's vlog, I just want to say, Malaysia, you did a very great job. Malaysia is, for me personally, is way modern than Thailand, because kalau di Thailand atau di Bangkok sendiri itu masih menganut ajaran yang ya kerajaan-kerajaan gitu, dan masih ada beberapa tempat yang tradisional banget, jauh lebih tradisional daripada Malaysia dan Kuala Lumpur. Bagiku, tapi nggak tahu bagi kalian, tapi bagiku. Dan bagiku sendiri ini Malaysia agak sedikit lebih modern gitu. But they both have their own strength and weaknesses. And yeah, but what makes them common is that they both are really great country, especially for you guys that want to spend your holiday or just want to explore new things, try to explore new cultures, or even purchase a lot of different things that maybe in your hometown there's still none of it. Contohnya kalau di Indonesia kan nggak ada barang ini, tapi di Thailand ada barang ini ya. That's great then. And yeah, very simple rating to Malaysia. Aku mau kasih 4/5 ke Malaysia. Di sini ratingnya. Yeah. Thank you for everything, Kuala Lumpur. And I hope to see you again in my next holiday. Signing out. See you tomorrow in our way back home.
One eternity later.
Bikin nanti dua terus sekarang gimana tapi iya
It's 1:30 in the afternoon in Malaysia right now, and we're in the airport. And yeah, that's all for the simple update. And yeah, once again, it's been a very great journey. Thank you for my driver, Mr. Abu, for your effort and your energy to help us travel around Kuala Lumpur and Genting. Sudah juga memberikan to give us a ride to go to amazing places in Kuala Lumpur and Genting. Mr. Abu, man, our driver. And yeah, that's all for the update. Kalau nanti bisa rekam lagi di dalam atau mungkin ada sesuatu yang pengen ku rekam atau tunjukin kalian, and then I'll record it and I'll show it to you guys. For now, kita ngurus-ngurusin dulu. See you. What up, gang? So right now is actually quite late. Right now is 9:30 p.m. nighttime in my city, my hometown. Dan ya tadi aku barusan aja sampai dari perjalanan, and as you can see here, I look very tired and then exhausted, of course, from the long journey and from all the stuff that I have to took care of. And ya basically banyak lah yang harus diurusin guys tadi pas di airport. A lot of things we have to a lot of things we have to fix, we have to prepare. Kayak tadi tuh hampir aja sebenarnya tadi itu hampir ketinggalan pesawat cuy, karena kita itu datang ke airportnya lumayan mepet and we didn't see the boarding time, so we thought that we have a longer time, but it turns out that we actually just have a very short time. So ya tadi kita benar-benar in a hurry banget, sibuk banget dan ngurusin banyak hal. But yeah, that's how life goes, I guess. That's how traveling goes, especially when it is the time to get back home. Stuff like that, rush, in a hurry, and dikejar waktu tuh, it's very normal things. And yeah, I think that's all, and I just want to say thank you so much once again for you guys yang udah luangin waktu, udah subscribe, udah berani atau bukan berani, udah mau nonton sampai akhir. I appreciate you all, and sebagai penutup, as always, I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video. Bisa aja traveling, makanan, nge-review barang-barang, sharing, atau bahkan traveling ke tempat yang pastinya punya wisata atau hotel atau makanan yang menarik. You never know. So that's all. My name is Timothy. See you soon, pal, in the next video.